position goes to roll number 42, Arifam Arbas. The third position goes to Chesabot Sarika. The fourth position goes to Kori Mayum Ania, roll number 25. The fifth position goes to Meray Mayum Mukadis, roll number 43. Very good. The seventh position goes to Sandrama Martina, roll number 7. Sandrama Martina, 7th position go. Sixth position goes to roll number 4, Chesabot Sadiha. The seventh position goes to sixth position Sunita A. Sixth position na roll number 18, Kulakpal Samsia. Roll number 18, Kulakpal. And the seventh position goes to roll number 22, Kedrimayum Luhen B. The eighth position goes to roll number 26, Sophia. The ninth position goes to roll number 21, Leishiden B. Karam. And the 10th position goes to roll number 1, Leishiden B. Nathausam. Makoy visiting nursery ko dire, butitagi makoy LKG ko. Bakubek na. Aduga nursery ni report card ti madi concern class teacher Miss Mandakini lagi Lowiba Agadi. Lower KG की result kamukin kasi. The first position goes to roll number 3, TX Priscilla.